Good afternoon and welcome to our first senior school virtual assembly. As you'd all be aware, it's not long now until we have the majority of our senior school students back with us. Years 10, 11 and 12 will return to us on Tuesday the 26th of May and Year 9 a touch later on Tuesday the 9th of June. So we're very much looking forward to having our students back with us in our classrooms and on our playgrounds. Of course, there will have to be some safety precautions that we take in order to protect the health and safety of our students and our staff, and you can expect to have some information go out to families about that in the very near future. The main purpose for today's assembly is for me to award some Shining Star Awards for those students amongst us who have done an exceptional job during this time of remote learning. Remote learning provides some unique challenges, and they're different across different families. Some families have logistical issues, some families have internet issues. We've heard stories of families that have had to hotspot phones and had to ration data. So there really have been challenges that have been overcome, which are very impressive and certainly testimony to the dedication of our students and their families. So this is an opportunity with consultation with our teaching staff just to acknowledge some of those students who have done an exceptional job during this time. From Year 9, we've got Martin Kong, Cody Lincoln, Lockie Rouse, Remy Campbell, Harrison Brooker, Caitlin Welsh, Joey Met, Natasha Smith, Cadence Pang, Michaela Woosnam and Abby Koenig. Congratulations to you guys. Year 10, we had Regan Fox, Lou Jane Al-Sabdi and Rory Brooker. From Year 11, I would like to acknowledge Emma Nolan, Ben Locke, Megan Gossain, Jasmine Wade, James Curtin, Grace Dillard, Ali Tribes and Ethan Smith. Well done to those students. And from Year 12, we had both Sutton girls, Jordan and Cameron, River Lazoo, Jessie Bright, Oscar McKay and Shem Swaffer. So very well done to those students. Obviously it's a crucial time for our Year 11 and 12, but particularly our Year 12s. And ironically what we've seen is some students who are even more present in remote learning than they have traditionally been when they've been here. So some students have really taken the challenge and done an exceptional job. I'd also like to acknowledge those students that weren't specifically listed amongst those names. We realise obviously there's been a lot of good work that has gone on in homes all around our region from students from this school, and we couldn't name everyone in this list, but we would like to acknowledge all that good work that's gone on. It certainly has been appreciated. A big thanks also to our parents. I realise in the senior school it's a little bit different than the other sub-schools here at CAGS in that we're dealing with young adults, and as such a lot of families have chosen to have students stay at home and work independently, and some students have really taken on that responsibility and done a successful job at that. So well done to all of those students. But also equally thank you to those families that have had to rearrange their lives, have to take, parents have taken time off work and rearrange schedules in order to be present and to be around and to help supervise those students. So a big thank you to those families. I know that it has been extremely difficult and a massive logistical challenge, and we certainly appreciate all of your efforts as well. So look, nothing more from me to say, guys, other than we look forward to seeing you here in person. We look forward to hearing our halls and our classrooms full of people. It's been quite unusual to sit in my office a lot of days and not hear a lot go on, and you don't really appreciate how much you miss having the people around the place until they're not here. So I look forward to having you back. I know on behalf of the senior school staff here at CAGS, we're very much looking forward to having you back. And it's not too long now, so I'll speak to you all in person very soon. Thank you.